so I just decided to. Hey guys, so I just got dressed up. My fit, I'm not gonna show you guys later, but right now I'm gonna go to my cousin's house, aunt's house, to help them making boats. The Lunar New Year is in 1 month and we're basically helping our grandparents. I'm currently waiting for my dad to pick me up. So I just decided to wear something simple today, and if you guys watched my last videos, then you guys know that I thrifted this sweater, black long sleeve, because it's like really freezing outside and minus 34 in Mongolia, so like I gotta dress warm, so I have like 3 layers of clothes, and I'm also gonna wear my puffer jacket, and underneath I just have my jeans. Yeah, it's just basic black jeans. Hey guys, so I just got ready, and right now I'm gonna go to my grandma's house with my 2 older siblings. First we're gonna go to the store to buy stuff for school, and then we're gonna go to my grandma's house. Yesterday night I finished watching like Singles Inferno, like season 5 episode 4. It was like, yeah, so she like actually pisses me off like so bad. I really love like Min-jae, Kim Min-jae, and Seung-yeon. They're my favorite. I've been going to my French class with my brother. Like, I think it's been like already 3 weeks since we started going, and it's been great because I love my French class, and especially my teacher. It's so funny.
소민상, эрхэм баяртай 소민상, онцгой дурдсан эрдэнэтэй 소민상 мэгмэр.
I hope you guys can hear me because I'm walking outside, trying to film more outdoors and overcome my anxiety of filming outside because I feel like a lot of people stare at me, but it's okay.
Everything, they're so going just for a take. And Abu Dhabi is much nicer. So you have to go opportunity, you know, I mean, obviously.
We are currently in an Irish pub and we just ate food. I ordered this spaghetti and it's so good. I'm with my brother. He also like he's on our like school Instagram page in the video. I'll like show you guys the name of it and go follow. Not follow, like just like. гэсэн час дээр байна. Аюун амгалан банкс тасан тэнд үсшүүлж чинь. Гарууд гэнэ.
Ущирэлтэй гэсэн. 안녕하세요. 몽골 사람입니다.
몽골어지.
멋있다. Юу амар сонио хатсан юм шиг амар боцсон би.
Яг тийм би.
Хотел.
GG.
안녕하세요.
Эмчлэгийг яа, эмчлэгийг Алекс-ийг үгээ зогсноор тавих хаанч. Бэнг гэдэг шүү дээ. Би энэ жүжигний дууг амар үзээддэг. Юу ингэ тоохгүй та бич. Guys, энэ гэрэлж байгаа санаачаа ингэхдээ sorry. Тэгээд би ингээд бурхан хийсэн йогурт боолээд чинь би бишээ нэг 3 дахь юм уу төгсгөрөө тавьж бодож байгаа. Тэрүүдэхтэй би Монгол байхгүй өөр газарт байна. Та нар удахгүй бишгнээс харах байхаа. Амар гоё сонирхолтой газар. Hey guys. Пакистан байна. Автор тач. Хайраа. Оди. Дэлус.